Hi guys, Campervan Barry here, and I'm here with the brand new Swift Carrera 144 2025 edition. Now if you want to see us in the flesh, we've got it here at the Loudon showroom. We're also going to the NEC in February, so come join us there. I'll be there in person, so you can come and see us. Any questions you've got, or look around the vans, or place your order, we're going to be here. But don't forget, if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget, if you've not already done so, hit the subscribe button as well below. It really does help us out, and we'll keep you up to date with all the new videos and all the new vehicles we're getting in here at Loudon's. Right. Right, let's start at the front of the vehicle. Now the new Carrera's got the all new graphics on the side and on the front of the bonnet here. Nice and easy to spot what they are. Look pretty good as well. You've also got the new Fiat Ducato front end as well. It really does grow on you. I really like this now. It's really stylish. Up there, nice and modern, so it's going to look good for years to come. You've got the new Fiat 16-inch wheels as well. These are really nicely finished off. Look the part with the black and the chrome mix. Really do make these fans stand out. We've got an exterior water outlet just here as well, so you can connect it out for a hose pipe if you want to clean your bikes, boots down, whatever we need to do. We've got your usual cassette toilet access here, lockable of course, and then your power input just there. On the roof of the vehicle, we can't see it, but you have got a Status 570 TV aerial built in as well. So if we move around here, onto the rear of the vehicle, you've got parking sensors. If we open up the van here, nice little table on this side with some storage pockets on both sides. The door will open if you want it to, so you can do the same with the other side. And then you also have got fly screens on both the side door and the rear door now, which is brilliant. So if you want that breeze going through, absolutely perfect. Right, onto the passenger side now. External barbecue point, so as long as you've got your gas in there, get yourself your Caddick out barbecue gas one, plug it in, and you're all set to go for those nice summer barbecues. Now onto your freshwater intake, you've got a little hose pipe slot there. You just put your hose pipe on there, and that will fill up nice and easy. And of course it is lockable, so no one can tamper with your water supply. Finally, on the outside, we've got the two-lay awning there, and you've got a LED awning light. On the roof as well, you have got a solar panel, which is 110 watt, so a bit of an improvement from the last one, which used to be 100 watt. And of course, when we're talking about power, you've also got two leisure batteries, both 80 amp hour, so plenty of sustain. If you want to go off-grid in this, you can do it quite easily. Now in the front dinette area, we've got two captain's chairs in the front, two seats here, both belted, so you've got 4 seat belts. It can actually sleep 3. This area does convert into a single bed, and you've got your double bed conversion around the back. We'll cover that later in the video. The table just drops down onto its next level there when we are making the bed. But yeah, we've got the table here. It's got an extender on it as well. So if I pull this out, that will go all the way around there. Quite stiff because it's new. Now they've also gone for a new 4-inch touch panel, dead easy to operate, lighting. You can change whatever you want to on there just with a touch of a button. Check your power, fresh water levels, check your heated tanks, turn those on as well. Wastewater level, and then you've got your temperature, humidity, and external temperature as well. All really easy to use. We've also got smoke alarm, carbon monoxide alarm as well for safety. Plenty of cabin storage in the front as well. Right, into the kitchen. So some things have changed in here. So we've got a nice deep sink there, hot and cold running water, 2-burner hob. Now underneath here, the all new oven. So a bit bigger, nice grill as well. Got a little pan in there. Oven and grill and a nice finish as well, and it just feels quite sturdy, quite good. Yeah, you'll enjoy cooking with that. Now in this cupboard here, just above the cooker, we've got your fresh and wastewater release. It's all on an electric button, so there's no going outside and twisting your taps. You can do it all from the comfort of inside. And here's that TV aerial we were on about earlier, which comes standard with the Carrera, so it's just plug and play if you get yourself a telly. Nice and easy. Right, moving on to the bathroom. So we've got a nice corkboard at the bottom there. Take that out obviously when you're showering, but it's there to protect the floor for when you're not. The toilet does twist around. You've got the blade to release there. You've got the pull down sink, nice and easy. You've got the shower there for hot and cold water. Toilet rolls protected there, and then the tamper door screen is held up by a little locking mechanism there, so you can keep it in place while travelling so it doesn't rattle around. Right, as for storage in the kitchen, there is a couple of drawers here. And pull out your cutlery drawer there. We've got a little cupboard just underneath here. And then we've also got a bigger cupboard down the bottom here. In there we've got some of your bedding for the front bed makeup and the rear table leg as well. And then at the top here we've got this lovely, great big dual opening fridge. Plenty of space in there with a freezer box up top. Nice and easy to use, made by Dometic, so absolutely really good quality, and will keep your food nice and chilled for when you are away enjoying those adventures. Right, so into the rear living area now. So these two bench seats do make up into a bed. We'll show you that in just a moment. But I've mentioned the TV area here. You've got your mounting point for your TV bracket just there, and your pre-prep for the TV is there. You've got a 12-volt socket, and you've also got the aerial input there. You've also got some USBs there if you do need those. Light switches as well, so you can turn them off without getting to get up if you're in bed at night. In the back area here. And the table in the front there, it does fold up and it does nicely fit on this side. There is now a little tag there you can attach to the table, and it keeps it sturdy during transport, so you haven't got to worry about it. The windows in the back, we've got the usual fly screens pull down, and we've got the blackout blinds which pull up on all the windows both sides, because it's not often you get a window on each side in the vans now. They like to have one blacked out, but Swift give you both, so you've got that extra light coming in, as well as these lovely skylights giving you good natural light in the vehicle, as well as at the back here. Got your fly screens again, and you've got your blackout blinds in the table we mentioned earlier. Now we've taken the cushions off the bedding area at the minute, so I just thought I'd show you the lockers while we're here so you can have a look. So your gas locker there, that will keep two 3.9 kilo bottles in there, so plenty of gas, that will keep you going nice as well. And then on this side we've got your 25-metre hook cable, and you've got your sergeant box with all your electrics in, so if you ever need to get into that, that's where that is. Right, we'll build the bed and then we'll show you what that looks like. Right, so the rear bed's made up. It's nice and easy to do, just with the two bench bits and then the two rears in the middle there, giving you 6'1" across and 4'4" wide. So a good sized bed, nice and comfy for sleeping on. A couple of pillows in here and the sheets, and you're ready to go. Right, now into the cab of the vehicle. Now the new updates on the 25 are quite substantial. We've got the new 10-inch entertainment system with satellite navigation and TomTom 3D maps. Underneath that we've now moved to automatic air conditioning, climate control, so instead of the manual one it had before, and you've also got a wireless phone charger underneath, so you just slide your phone down and you're charging your phone. Also got the new look steering wheel with the new Fiat badge on the front there, automatic handbrake as standard, and it's the new 2.2 140 brake Euro 6e engine inside as well. As for the blinds in the front, all nice and easy. You've got your blackout blind that just pulls up on the front here, and your cab blinds, I don't know if you can see that on there, again, they just fold down and into the slot. Right, so we've also got pull out waste paper bin here. We can just pop that in there, nice and easy. Electric step on the outside. Overall, the 2025 Carrera has really worked wonders. With the upgraded solar panel, double leisure batteries, all the upgrades into the cab now, the extra fly screen at the back, it really is a great vehicle to take out. Everything's on there. The only option you've got to make your mind up is whether you want manual, whether you want auto. But for under 75,000 for the manual, what a bargain. Get yourselves down. You want to see it in the flesh, come down and have a look. We've got it in at Loudons. We're going to be at the NSC, as I say, in February. And don't forget, if you haven't done also already, give us a smash on that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already doing so, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.